Find features that distinguish it from other brands for Sizonjoy 36 inches Posable Halloween Skeleton Decorations. And why you should buy choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why. Because there are features. Halloween Skeleton Decoration. This 36-inch full-body Halloween skeleton includes one lifelike skeleton that imitates the size of real human bones. Its life-size appearance creates a truly spooky atmosphere. Premium material. The posable skeleton is made of high-quality plastic, which is both sturdy and lightweight, making it easy to carry and display. Skeleton Posable Joints. Halloween skeleton features movable head, jaw, and limbs, allowing you to create various poses and match different scenes with ease. Easy to hang and install. The skeleton's head comes with a pre-attached rope, making it easy to hang on walls, doors, ceilings, porches, outdoor areas, trees, or courtyards. Simply insert the skull into the spine for quick assembly. Perfect for various Halloween settings, this skeleton decoration is ideal for haunted houses, themed parties, graveyard scenes, Halloween home decor, and other horror-themed displays. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.